Okay guys, today I'm gonna show you how to change the screen for the laptop Ideapad 100. It is broken, you can see that. Here you have. So all we need is to turn off. After that, it's better to take off the battery, but to take over this kind of model, it's to open all. Well, you don't need to do that. Now we can start opening. It's too easy for this model for Lenovo. Just be careful. Yeah. And here we are. We have take off the screw. 1, 2, 3, 4 screw for the screen. And now just slow, and here we are. We need to take off this jack. Now you can see the screen is 15.6 inches and it's 30 pins. So you have to buy the new one or the second hand. It's same, but I bought a new one. Here it is. And is the same, 15.6 inches and 30 pins. Now we can test it. Plug in the adapter, turn on, and here we are. So put the screw back. Then all you have to do is to take off that. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next video.